Hello YouTube, StatChunky75 here with a continuation of the previous video. My camera's been terrible, well my phone's been terrible with memory. But we got through all the Cello packs and the battery died right on the last pack, which was perfect. Got nothing big in that pack, and here we have it going for the red, white, and blues for part 2 of this video. Going for that red, white, and blue Zion Williamson. So let's see if we get lucky. Mike Conley, I always get that guy. So we got, I'll try and go through these as quick as possible so we don't waste any time with the battery. Get a quick video, get it downloaded, get it right out to you. So red, white, and blues, come on, give me that Zion. I already have the John, the RJ Barrett, and the John Morant, the RJ Barrett, the Rui Hachimura, and all the big ones. I just need the Zion. Zion's the only rookie I don't have in the red, white, and blue. And it'd be nice to have an all-American Zion, right? Wouldn't that be nice? I've opened so many of these, too. This is the 3rd box of them. So when you figure there's 12 to a box, going through 24 already, I didn't get one. It's not, I guess he's not that common. Jeez, this one really wants to give you a hard time. Make it be the one with him in it. Oh, no, it's got all shit in it. That's what it is. It's the doo-doo. There's a reason that pack didn't want to be opened. How they getting any rookies in these things? Getting shit. Absolute garbage. Gone through quite a few packs now and gotten one rookie so far. Usually there's a lot of rookies in these, but I guess Panini got greedy this year. I don't know why I haven't gotten a Zion yet. Come on, give me a rookie. Jeez, all this veteran spooge. Garbage. These things suck opening too. Oh, we got a Cam Reddish. Too bad it's not a Zion, but still. That's a nice one, getting the Cam. Really want that Zion. Come on, Panini God, take care of me. Grandmama. Get a DeAndre too. And I'm not complaining getting rookies, but getting all the wrong rookies. Garbage. 2 packs left. I don't think we're getting Zion. I think I'm gonna have to open up every single one of those Cello boxes to get the Zion. Lonzo Ball. God damn it. No bueno. So far, not so good. Last pack mojo? No. Not see a little. Oh, well. Didn't get the Zion. Thanks for watching, guys. Hey, give a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel. Appreciate all the support. Have a great evening, guys. Thanks.